What is 3D printing? B. A process that creates a physical object from a digital model. Which material is commonly used in 3D printing? C. Plastic. What is the main advantage of 3D printing? C. Customization. Which industry has greatly benefited from 3D printing technology? A. Automotive. What is the first step in 3D printing? A. Designing the digital model. What does CAD stand for in the context of 3D printing? A. Computer-aided design. What is a common type of 3D printing technology? C. Fused deposition modeling. Which of the following is not a benefit of 3D printing? B. Mass production. What is a potential drawback of 3D printing? B. High cost. What is an example of a 3D printed object? B. Chair. Which of the following is a common method used in additive manufacturing? C. 3D printing. What material is commonly used in selective laser sintering (SLS) additive manufacturing process? B. Plastic filament. What is the layer thickness typically in selective laser melting (SLM) additive manufacturing process? A. 0.1 mm. Which additive manufacturing process uses a vat of liquid photopolymer resin cured by UV light? B. Stereolithography (SLA). Which of the following techniques are used to improve surface finish in additive manufacturing? A. Post-processing. Which type of additive manufacturing process commonly uses metal powder and a laser to selectively fuse metal particles? B. SLM. In the binder jetting additive manufacturing process, what is used to bind the powder together? B. Polymer binder. Which of the following is a benefit of additive manufacturing compared to traditional manufacturing methods? B. Complex geometries with ease. Which additive manufacturing process is known for its ability to produce highly detailed and accurate parts? C. Electron beam melting, EBM. Additive manufacturing is also known as A. 3D printing.